What is social trading? Imagine sitting in the passenger seat of a race car. You're not behind the wheel, but you still cross the finish line alongside the driver. That's exactly how social trading works. A professional trader does the driving, while advanced technology automatically copies every trade to your account. But here's the interesting part. The trader only gets paid when you make a profit. Let's see how easy it is to get started. Follow the link in the first comment below this video, register your AI Tech account, and see how social trading works for yourself. Once you've registered and verified your email address, log in to the AI Tech portal. Then click on Log into CopyX to access the copy trading platform. Before you can start investing, you'll need to complete a quick identity verification. Simply upload a valid government-issued ID document, then complete the verification on your phone. This is a standard security procedure used by regulated financial platforms to protect your account. Once your verification is approved, you're ready to make your first deposit and connect to the Sonic AI strategy. Next, click on CopyX. Then click on Details under the Sonic AI strategy. Now click on Connect. Enter your investment amount. Click the arrow to open the drop-down menu. Enter the code, #BFT, click Verify. Copy the code, paste the copied code here. Click Submit. Select both checkboxes. Click Copy Now to activate Sonic Copy Trading. From this point on, you can either reinvest your profits to grow your account or withdraw them whenever you like. Congratulations! Your account is now connected to the Sonic strategy. Your account will now automatically copy the professional trader's positions. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me.